you're getting Roku error 23.2, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Reboot the Roku system. When you get Roku error 23.2, the Roku device may not play the channels and keep rebooting. When you get such an error, force restart the Roku system. Unplug the Roku device, then wait for some time. When your system restarts, check if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Check your network. Next, check if your internet connection is stable. You can check the internet speed on another device by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. To ensure a stable connection, you can restart the router or modem. Keep it unplugged for some time, then reconnect everything and restart the system. Method 3. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi connection. The next thing you can do is reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. Go to Roku settings, then go to network, then set up connection. Next, select wireless. Let the scan complete. Select your network and type the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Once done, select connect. Now check if this could fix the issue. Method 4. Use a HDCP compliant HDMI cable. High bandwidth digital content protection or HDCP system prevents unauthorized copying of any digital video content. It thoroughly checks all the devices and the components, including the monitor that allows you to view the content. Sometimes you may get an HDCP issue while watching content on Roku that prevents you from watching the video. So, if you have a provision to use HDCP compliant cable, use that. For that, visit hdmi.org and search for your brand of cable. Check the tag or the sticker and see if it is marked as an HDCP compliant. Besides, you can check the packaging of the cable. It will also be mentioned there. Generally, the older cables lack HDCP support and the latest ones are HDCP compliant cables. So first, check and then try using an HDCP compliant HDMI cable. If you get an HDCP error detected message on the Roku channel while using an external monitor, unplug the HDMI cable from the monitor. Try watching on your computer's screen, like a laptop screen. If it works, plug the HDMI back in firmly. Method 5. Try a different port. You can also check the HDMI cable using a different port when you are getting an HDCP issue on Roku. Sometimes the HDMI port may be faulty. So, plug the cable into a different port and then check if it works. Method 6. Try a different display type. The next thing you can do is try a different display type on the Roku device. To change that, go to Settings from the home page. Then select Display Type. Change the display type and see what works for you. Method 7. Check for updates. Ensure that you have installed the latest software updates for your Roku device. An outdated system version can be responsible for such errors. To update the Roku, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait for the process to complete. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. Method 8. Reinstall the channel. If this didn't fix the issue, then reinstall the channel on which you are getting the error and see if this works. Perform a system restart on your Roku device before reinstalling the channel. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the channel you want to uninstall. Press the star key on your remote to open the channel options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes that take effect. Now go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel you want to reinstall. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch the channel, and you should not get the error. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error 23.2. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.